Breaking news, gun rights advocates who want charges filed against Pittsburgh Mayor Bill Peduto and members of City Council got their day in court today.
The complaint says that the mayor and council violated the law by passing strict gun control measures. Paul Martino is at today's hearing. He's live at the courthouse with what happened. Paul.
Yeah, Christine, and their big beef was that DA Stephen Zappala wouldn't even hear their complaint. Judge Joseph James says he'll rule on this issue by the end of the week, but he expressed skepticism over gun rights advocates could force Zappala to consider their complaint. The judge also saying the reason being that this gun law is not even in effect.
Last April, City Council passed and the mayor signed ordinances that ban the use of assault weapons, armor-piercing ammunition, and high-capacity magazines. Gun rights groups say the ordinances violated state law. They filed a criminal, which the DA rejected.
The mayor broke the law when he signed them into law. That's how I feel.
It's ludicrous that we're here.
During arguments before Judge Joseph James Wednesday, Zappala's attorney argued that it makes no sense to file a criminal complaint since the law hasn't taken effect.
Well, their argument is silly, quite frankly. I mean, the law is clearly not in effect. They know it's not in effect. They know it can't be enforced. They knew the reason the criminal complaint wasn't accepted.
Judge James appears to agree with Zappala's attorney, telling the court, quote, "You can't be cited or arrested under these gun ordinances because I stayed them," adding that the district attorney has discretion to accept a private complaint or not. Even so, the gun advocate's lawyer persisted.
The chief law enforcement officer of Allegheny County has the duty to accept private criminal complaints.
Judge James had one other problem with their complaint. He said if you have an issue with the district attorney, you're in the wrong place. They should have taken it, he says, to the administrative judge. As I said, we should get a ruling by the end of the week, but this will not, by a long shot, be the final word on these gun laws. Reporting live downtown, Paul Martino, KDKA News.